When it comes to retirement, we all know about the big things, the nice vacations, the retirement accounts, and finally having the time to relax. But there's a hidden side to retirement that very few people talk about, and it can sneak up on you, potentially costing you a lot more than you expect. These hidden costs could completely derail your financial plans if you're not prepared. So, what are these hidden costs? Let's start with healthcare. Even if you have Medicare, it doesn't cover everything. Out-of-pocket expenses, co-pays, prescription costs, these all add up fast. It's easy to overlook, but these costs can quickly balloon as you age, especially if you have any chronic conditions. Many retirees find themselves spending thousands a year on healthcare costs alone. Then there's the issue of inflation. You might think your retirement savings will last, but inflation can eat away at your purchasing power, especially when you're relying on fixed income from pensions or savings. Even a modest inflation rate means that what you can buy today may cost significantly more in 10, 15, or 20 years. Another overlooked cost is long-term care. Whether it's a nursing home or in-home care, the reality is long-term care is expensive. The average cost for a private room in a nursing home can exceed $100,000 per year. This is something most people don't plan for until it's too late. And Medicare won't cover this, which means you'll either need to tap into your savings or explore other options to protect your assets. Now, you might be thinking, well, I'll just invest my money wisely, and that should cover everything. But the truth is, the investment landscape for retirees can be tricky. The traditional investment vehicles, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, can be volatile, and the market's ups and downs can leave you exposed. Not to mention, taxes can eat into your returns. The last thing you want in retirement is to see your savings lose value. But there's one option that's been gaining attention for its ability to protect your wealth: gold IRAs. With gold IRAs, you're investing in a tangible asset that has historically stood the test of time. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold can retain its value during periods of economic uncertainty and inflation. It's a way to safeguard your wealth while still allowing it to grow. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already making the switch to gold IRAs, and you can learn why by checking it out. Now let's dive into another hidden cost: taxes. When you take distributions from your IRA or 401k, you're hit with taxes. These taxes can be much higher than expected, especially if you're not planning ahead. One of the smartest moves you can make as a retiree is to reduce your tax burden by shifting some of your assets into tax-advantaged accounts like gold IRAs, which have unique tax benefits that could help you keep more of your retirement savings intact. Also, don't forget about the cost of living adjustments, or COLAs, which are often lower than the rate of inflation. Social Security benefits are supposed to help offset this, but the increase you get each year is typically very modest. This means that if you're relying on Social Security alone, your purchasing power could shrink over time. Lastly, the cost of leisure and unexpected expenses can also surprise you. You might have envisioned an idyllic retirement, going on trips, visiting family, indulging in hobbies, but these activities cost money. Plus, unexpected expenses can arise, like home repairs or emergency medical costs. It's critical to have a solid financial plan in place to handle these costs without depleting your savings. If you're serious about securing your financial future and protecting your wealth, especially if you have 100K plus in an IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, consider looking into gold IRAs. It's an essential tool for diversifying your retirement portfolio, keeping your wealth safe from inflation, and securing your future against rising costs. So, if you haven't already, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's a game changer for American retirees looking to protect their wealth. With all the hidden costs of retirement, planning ahead and knowing your options can make all the difference. Gold IRAs could be the key to a stable and secure retirement, no matter what life throws your way. Don't wait. Take action today and start protecting your future.